Good morning everyone, I'm Jerem Batoto from BCS2B and I will be presenting the advancement of artificial intelligence in Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our daily lives, revolutionizing the way we work, communicate, and interact with technology. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to autonomous vehicles navigating our streets, AI is reshaping industries and redefining what's possible. Its advancement has not only improved efficiency and convenience but also sparked ethical debates and raised questions about the future of work and humanity's relationship with technology. Three key pointers in advancement of artificial intelligence in our lives. First, healthcare. Healthcare. AI is aiding in early disease detection, personalized treatment plans, and medical image analysis, improving patients' care outcomes. Here are some visual examples. Second, autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles. AI-powered self-driving cars are becoming increasingly sophisticated, enhancing transportation safety and efficiency. Third, smart home devices. Smart home devices. AI-powered devices like smart thermostats, security cameras, and virtual assistants enhance convenience, security, and energy efficiency in homes. Examples are cameras, doorbells, lights, plugs, and etc. Artificial intelligence continues to advance, seamlessly integrating into various aspects of our lives, from personal assistants and smart homes to healthcare and transportation. Its, its presence enhances efficiency, convenience, and innovation, revolutionizing how we work, communicate, and navigate to the world. That should be all. Thank you.